We have on the board the continuation of the problems under Venn diagrams. And this is question number 2. Here we are told that in a town of 230 people, we have 80 dancing kampe. It's a type of dance. 90 dance Fuji, and the rest dance Wuri. 40 dance kampe and Fuji. 5 people dance Fuji, and then Fuji and Wuri, and then we have 30 people dance kampe and Furi. Then a Wuri rather. How many dance all 3 dances? That's a question. So in our solution here, we let the number that are in the class, that is n universal, to be 230. We use k to represent kampe. Therefore, number that are involved in kampe will be 80 according to our question. F for Fuji, so n F, number that are in Fuji, will be 90. W for Wuri, number that are involved in Wuri dance will be 60. Yeah, look at this. This is the number that are involved in kampe dance, and so you can see Fuji and then Wuri is unknown, so we call it X. In fact, if you look at our diagram that we use at the beginning of the other lecture for Venn diagram, this point here 1, we describe it as A intersection B intersection C, which is the region common to all of them. So in our Venn diagram, we are going to have that. I've already drawn that, but the other details I've not put it. But let's see. We also have in the question other things here. The number that are involved in kampe and Fuji is 40, according to our question here. 40 dance kampe and Fuji. Then 5, number that dance Fuji and Wuri is 5, as you can see here. And then you have another 30 people dancing kampe and Wuri, which is represented there. The next step now is to represent those other information apart from the X that we have written down in the diagram. So where do we start from? We start from any of the region apart from X that is common to 2 sets. So where I'm highlighting now is the region for kampe and Fuji only. That is this point here. In our diagram here, that is region 2. That is kampe and Fuji only. So look at it. We're told that kampe and Fuji is 40. That is everything here, 40. So only kampe and Fuji without Wuri is going to be 40 minus X. Then we come to Fuji and then Wuri. Fuji and Wuri is 5. That is everything here. Everything here is 5. Meanwhile, part of it is already X, so the remaining will be 5 minus X. Then we move on to kampe and then Wuri. That is this particular point I'm highlighting. Kampe and Wuri is 30. So kampe and Wuri only, which is this part, will be 30 minus X. Now, we still have 4 other regions that we have not represented. This region here is kampe only. People that dance only kampe, but not Fuji, but not Wuri as well. So how do we get that? It's very simple. We come back to the question. The number that dance kampe, we are told, is 80. So if you remove every other thing that is here, this plus this plus this, from 80 you will have the people that dance kampe only. So it means we are having something like this, 80 minus the sum of this, which is 30 minus X plus 40 minus X. If you do that, this is minus, so this will go. This plus this is 70 minus x. So it means we have 80 minus 70 minus x. If you open this bracket, this will be 80 minus 70 plus x, which is 10 plus x. That means this place, Campe only is 10 plus x. Is that clear? Good. We move on to the other one for Fuji only. The same thing we did here is what we do there. And if you follow the procedure, you have that Fuji is 90. So you are going to be having here as 90 minus 40 minus x plus this put together. If you work it out, you are going to have this to be 45 plus x. Look at it. 90 minus 40 minus x plus 5 minus x. If you add this to this, you have 45. This goes off. 90 minus 45 minus x. Open your bracket. You are having 90 minus 45 plus x. Subtract this. You will have 45 plus x, like I earlier mentioned. So the same procedure goes for the last one. And without wasting time, all you need to do, know that Wuri is 60. So add this plus this, you have 35. Subtract from 60, you have 25. Then plus x, because they follow the same trend. You can check it up now and discover that we are good to go. So this is nothing but 25 plus what now? Plus x. Good. This is 25 plus x. Now, we proceed to the next stage in the solution. If you go back to what we did before, there's a region 8. And that 8, we said, is a region describing those elements that are in the universal set, but they are not in either of A, B, or C. So let's check here. Do we have those categories of people? No. It means that every person in the population in that town, 230, is dancing. Either you are in Campe or in Fuji or you are in Wuri. What does that tell us? It means that outside the oval shape, within the rectangle, we don't have anything there. So for emphasis sake, either we leave it blank or we just put 0, telling us that there's nobody that is not dancing any of the 3 dances. So the final stage, like we did before, is to come now and add every item that is highlighted here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus this 0, which is actually not important. And then we equate it to 230. Now, we proceed. That means I have 10 plus x, that's this, plus 30 minus x, plus x, followed by 40 minus x, plus 45 plus x, plus, we continue from there, 5 minus x, plus 25 plus x. So the first thing is this. Look for where you have minus x plus x close together. I just remove them. That's this one up there. So this is 0. Then you check again. I have minus x plus x. So these 2 will go and you have another 0. Is there any other one? Yes. I have a minus x here and this one. This goes down to 0. So we are left with numbers together with 1x. So we add up now. 10 plus 30, that gives us 40. Plus this 40, that is 80, plus 45. What do we get? 125. That's good. plus this 25, we have 150. Then plus 5, 155. Beautiful. Now, we now have 155 plus x. And everything, like I said, must be equal to the universal set, which is 230. So I equate this one to 230. We are almost there. What are we to do next? Make x the subject. You have 230 minus 155. And what does that give us? Easy. If you subtract, you have x equal to what? Good. 75 as our answer. Meaning that we have 75 people. They are involved in all three dances, Kampe, Fuji, and Wuri. So it was quite easy because of your responses. Now, like I said, I'll be giving you an assignment similar to this, a 3-set problem. You follow through, you solve, and you submit. I'll mark it, and I'll get back to you for you to know what and how you have performed. Thank you until we see next time, and keep safe. Goodbye.